One of our favorites and gadget queen, Christina Daves, is back with her latest must-have product.
Well, like I said, if you're a good baker, you can do it yourself.
Yeah.
I cannot, so we cheat a little bit.
Hi there, I'm Christina Daves, and not only am I a television host, I'm also an inventor. That gives me a really unique, fun perspective when I do product or lifestyle segments.
And it has a timer and it has 4 different speeds.
And it does all the work for
All
you.
the work for you, isn't this great?
Everyone knows how horribly unattractive medical devices are, right? Slings, braces, and this. The big, ugly medical boot. And I'm out to change that.
Yep, that's me on the Steve Harvey Show. My invention of medical boot fashions actually won his top inventor competition, and that actually started my television career.
I actually broke my foot and I was headed to New York, fashion capital of the world, and thought, I can't go looking like this. And the flowers just hook right on, and then you can use them afterwards too.
Oh, there you go.
You know what? That's good. Thank you so much.
You've made me feel amazing today.
This led to lots of opportunities to be on television, and I realized that by doing that, I could help other people, other inventors, get their products out there and get them seen by millions of people.
So I went to the Houseware show last month.
Yes.
So this is all brand new stuff.
Okay.
So cool. This is necessity is the mother of invention. So it's a family out in California. They have 4 kids. Dad loses his job. The stove breaks. So all they have is the toaster to feed their kids. So this is Tostia. You put your ingredients in, fold it, close it.
Put it in the toaster, and voila.
Voila. How cool is this? This is a funny story. I'm walking down the street one day. I see a man all in black. It's pitch dark. And I'm like, he's going to get hit by a car. It's my husband exercising. I'm like, okay, we are getting you running lights.
Now, you're an entrepreneur and an inventor, but finding items that help make life easier is what it's all about,
That's
correct?
what I love to do. There's nothing that I love more than finding products that simplify life, make life easier, better, or just more fun.
And they have the extra large size just for you.
Okay, I love it.
He made these for us, Hoda. We have our very own. These are the only 2. We might get jumped in the parking lot on the way out, so we've got to hide these. Is this amazing?
Beautiful.
Is that gorgeous?
Yep, that's me and Hoda Kotb, and she actually said that it was the best interview she had ever done.
Now this is so cool. Zip Slicer Pro. Okay, this is such a great story. This is brilliant.
I appear on television all across the country. I have a regular segment on Good Morning Washington where they have actually dubbed me the Gadget Queen.
And this getting stuff under your bed, they're all great.
Great. That was the answer I was looking for. You nailed it. You passed the test.
Oh, good.
Christina Daves, thank you
you.
so much.
Thanks.
Appreciate it. And again, more information at ChristinaDaves.com.